Hey, what's up guys? Hope you are fine and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what Amazon Seller Central is and what features does Amazon provide us as a seller, guys, and mainly how we can make use of it. So without further delay, let's get right into this video, guys. So guys, as you first log into your Seller Central, you can see here is the home tab and here is notification tab. Here you will get your notifications, and as you come here you can choose your marketplace. Here you can choose your language, guys, which language you want, and here you will get messages from your buyers, and here is the help button for contacting your seller support, and here you will get settings tab. uh, Here you can get info, global accounts, notification, login, return setting, gift options, shipping settings, tax settings, user permission history, your infos and policies, fulfillment by Amazon settings, and seller fulfill export. So I will be letting you know which tabs are important. And as you come here, guys, you will see catalog tab. Here you can add your products and complete your jobs and view your selling applications if you have applied for any gadget categories or something. Here in the inventory tab, you can click on manage inventory if your inventory consists of FBM, fulfillment by merchant, and it's FBA, fulfillment by Amazon. Both inventory will come in this manage inventory tab. And if you are selling only through FBA type, then you can search your inventory from, you can search your product from manage FBA inventory and inventory planning, and here's remote fulfillment with FBA. You can here you can it's the same tab here as add product. It's the same tab, add product. Here you can add product via upload, something like Excel sheet or something. Inventory reports, sell globally. This is the from this tab you can apply for selling globally. Here's the manage FBA shipment. From this tab you can check your current shipment that you have sent from China, and upload and manage video. You can upload and manage video if you are brand registered. And as we come here to pricing tab, so as here you can check your pricing health, you can view your pricing dashboard, you can manage your pricing, you can create a fixed alert for your pricing, you can set an automatic pricing. In this automatic pricing, what happens is if you choose to set automatic pricing, then Amazon will decide regarding your competitors listing and your listing and set their own price. What happens is if your competitor lowers their price, Amazon will automatically lower your price. And if your competitors higher their price, then Amazon will automatically higher your price too, guys. And here are free discounts. In this order tab, from here you can manage your order. Manage order refers to the managing that orders that you got sales from. And from here, other reports tab, you can get your reports of your order and upload order related files. You can it's not priority. Manage returns, you can manage your returns and see in what product has you got returned, and manage safety claims. And here you see in the advertising tab, here comes campaign manager, A plus content manager, early review program, wine deals, coupons, prime exclusive discounts, promotions, stores. You can manage the stores and fulfillment programs. In this report tab, you can get reports of your payments, your Amazon selling codes is something else, and you can get your business report. is the fulfillment, and you can get your advertising reports here. You can get your return reports here. You can get your custom reports. You can customize the reports, and here you can get tax document library. In the performance tab, you can get account health. You can check your account health from this tab. You can check your feedback, your seller feedback, and this is not too important. It says claims performance notifications, and from here you can get performance notifications, and this is something you don't have to keep in mind with all this each and every tab. And apps and services, discover apps, manage your apps, develop apps. This is something else, guys. And let's go back to home page. And guys, as we come here to home page, you can see a news here, your latest news that Amazon posts, and you can, from here you can add more products, and you can see tutorials and trainings, and you can manage your listing, global listings. So as you come here to your orders tab, here you can see how many order Amazon has fulfilled, and how many orders are in pending. So from payment summary, you can see what's your available balance and when you will get your amount disbursed to your bank account. And from seller forums, you can see what other sellers post on the forum, the problem related to selling on Amazon and something else. You can check it from seller forums. And as we scroll down, you come to manage your case log. In manage your case log, you can manage the cases that you have created with your Amazon seller support. And here in the sales summary, you will get how many sales you have made today, or how many sales you have made in the past 7 days or past 30 days. So you will get your sales summary. You will get your current sales report from here. So like how many sales you have got today, and some, as I mentioned to you. From inventory planning, Amazon suggests to you how many quantity you need to order your product. So in inventory planning, you can check out what's your current status of inventory and how many quantity you will needing to order, guys. So this is all about Seller Central. So guys, hope you got idea on how Seller Central actually works. And if you have any questions regarding Amazon FBA, then you can let me know on the comment section down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, then please hit that subscribe button down below, and please leave a like on this video, guys. Thank you for watching.